We gotta do this update, urgent update for BBY because the price went down from this ascending channel. If you remember, we already talked about BBY. Even we talked about BBY here when we did chart analysis for it, when the price actually pumped. What we said that the price will actually get rejected around the $7.57. This is the ultimate profit taken after the squeeze area, and the first profit taken around the $5.85. Then the price actually got rejected the next day. And of course, we talked about this ascending channel and holding above the $3. We said if we don't hold the $3, we're gonna have a sell-off toward this box. And guess what? The price is gravitating near this box between the $2.23 and the $1.87. We're gonna discuss the reversal area and what we should expect in coming days for PPY, and what's the percentage wise for the gain if we actually went toward this level of reversal, because we could actually make a good swing trade when the price hit this price value for BBY. Next up, we have to discuss ape because down almost 10%. You know why? Because we broke this flag down. So this is the first sign of weakness for ape. We're going to discuss an important level that ape is holding, which is above our AMA. What's going to happen here? Are we going to break it down, or are we going to have a reversal? This is it. We're going to discuss the strategy for ape for the next week. Let's discuss the other one, MULN, going down almost 4%. You see what happened? We broke the 36. So this is a sign of weakness. We are below our AMA. We're going to discuss what's going to happen for the next week and what we should expect for the price reversal next time. Next up, we got AMC, 11% down. And guess what? The price actually went to our box where we should see a reversal for AMC. We're going to discuss, are we going to have a hold up or not? If we go here, we see the call volume on the SPY is 2.2 million and the put options volume is 2.7. So it's kind of neck and neck right now. That's why the market is consolidating. It's still not having a huge selling pressure because there's huge whale buying the dip, even though there's a huge selling pressure happening. We're going to discuss what's going to happen for the SPY new update. VLON is pumping. VLON is technically pumping right now toward the squeeze area, the 59. Already did chart analysis for this stock on our Discord channel when we said the support that we should hold is around the 40 cent and the squeeze area 53 cent, and right now it's pumping from the hour breakout zone and going toward the profit taken. Let's discuss our first stock on our watch list, which is bbby. The price is gravitating down almost 10%. The box that we should hold from is the $2.23 and the $1.87. So what we should expect? I have really great question on our Discord and picture about what's the percentage wise if we went there, how much we should expect for the reversal on the bounce. If we go back in time and see what's happened, you see here when we said the price will reverse around the $2.23 and the price reverse in the span of few days almost 45%. So here we expect a huge pump once again if we visit the $1.87, which is the bottom. So let's calculate, just for example, if we went around the $1.88, we're gonna have at least 21% jump or reversal, and we actually go there around the $1.87. The resistance the next time will be around the $2.40, $2.50. So here we should take our profit if we actually entered around the $1.88. So expect this level movement next week or maybe even the next few days. And of course, the current resistance at the moment on the $3. So the $3 is the most important level to overcome if we hold right now above the $2.20 here. If we hold above the $2.20, we're going to see this reaction, faster squeeze toward the $3. If we go toward the $1.88, the resistance is the $2.44, not the $3, okay? If we hold above the $2.23, it means the resistance is the $3. Next up on our list, we got ape. The price is still holding right now above the AMA. Great hold up above this AMA. So what we should expect for ape? We need to continue to hold this AMA in order to go higher. Next time the resistance is around this level. not the 4, not the 3, is around the $2.78. I already put my alert. So this is a really important level to test for ape for the next week, not today. Next week, if we got rejected around the $2.78, we're gonna fill eventually this box between the $2 and the $1.90. A lot of you ask me, even in our Discord, what's the support? Where is around the $1.90, the $2.12? Jesus, you have to be precise. Sorry for not being precise with ape or the other stocks, because those stocks have a huge range because it's pretty volatile. That's why we have this range between the $1.90 and the $2.12. And why is this range? Because we might see this wick. You see it here? We might see this wick. So the price go there, will never stay in few minutes, and the price will gravitate higher. This is the reaction that we want to see for ape. That's why we have this range. So any price you buy here and hold above is mean we're gonna have a huge pump and the price will reverse. Best case scenario, holding above this AMA, then testing the $2.78, breaking this level, holding above it to go toward the squeeze area toward the $4 and $4.40. This is the best case scenario. Even though if we broke this AMA, we need to hold this box to continue to go higher to test the $2.78, the current resistance. MULN, oh boy, this one, I don't like this reaction because we broke the important level, which is the 36. If we held it, will be a really good squeeze and fastest squeeze for MULN toward the 44, which is the resistance and squeeze area. But we broke it. Right now we are below our AMA, so it's acting as resistant. Now the 36 is the resistant. If we still continue to get rejected around this area, it means continue to go down toward the 2860. So the 2860 is the next support where we're gonna have a huge buying pressure for MULN. Watch out. Next up, we got AMC. The price went holistically down without any test, without any wick toward this box. I don't like this reaction because we didn't hold above this AMA. AMC still, ape is still holding, but AMC broke. So right now, what we should expect, this box should hold above at least the $4.39. This should be a reversal area for AMC to go higher again, at least the next week toward the $5.50 and $5.90. Here is a rejection area, and here is the support area for AMC to hold. Let's go for the SPY very quick and discuss what's going on with the SPY, because the SPY is kind of show us the sentiment of the market's actually going. Because if we see that the SPY is technically pumped from this bearish channel around this area, the 26th of January. So the beginning of this year was really bullish. However, there's one interesting level that we should hold to confirm this, which is around the 395. So don't worry, even if the price went below the 400, still the support should be above the 395. We need to hold, accumulate, then pump next time around the 430, which is the best signal for strength for the whole market and enter another bull run for the whole market. So watch out for the 430 and of course the current support. We don't want to have this reaction going toward this level, then going below the 375 is mean we're gonna fill this gap around the 320 and 339. As long as we hold the 395, we're going to have a reversal and going toward the 430, which is the squeeze area. For my opinion, for the SPY, we're going to do update, of course, chart update analysis. And once we overcome this level, and we have to build the strategy to buy all the discounted price for the blue chip company, because we're going to see a huge pump for them if we broke the 430. Now we're going to do update, of course, on Sunday for the stock that I have on my watch list to prepare before Monday open for stock market. And of course, we're gonna do live streaming on Monday around 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. is Eastern time if you live in America. Thank you for watching and see you in the next update.